I'm a solution architect at Nouryon, and as that, responsible for all the manufacturing applications for all our 80-ish manufacturing sites globally. GE has its strengths in being good in many different aspects. So it doesn't excel in one different part. So if you are a very diverse company, like our company is, then it's really easy to adapt the platform to what you actually need. And so it's not that focused on a very narrow industry, for example, in oil and gas, but it can scale from discrete to batch manufacturing to continuous manufacturing and anything in between. And that really works well for us.